Did you know 40% of people take months to unpack after moving? Let me help you avoid that chaos. Because trust me, living out of a pizza box gets old fast. Hey there! So, picture this. Last summer, I helped a client move into their first home here in BC. They were so excited until they realized they'd forgotten to transfer the utilities. Cue unpacking by flashlight while eating lukewarm takeout. Not exactly the first night in our dream home vibe they'd hoped for. Alright, edgy sheep. Oh no, try it. So let's talk pre-move prep. First up, utilities. Call providers 2 to 3 weeks out. Electricity, water, internet. Pro tip, ask about move-in specials. I've seen clients snag free installation just by asking. Oh, and update your address everywhere. Banks, subscriptions, even that monthly wine club. Nothing kills the post-move buzz like a missed paycheck. Now, movers. Do not. Just Google cheap moving company at midnight. Read reviews, check licenses, and here's the kicker, ask if they've handled homes like yours. A buddy hired movers who'd never dealt with spiral staircases. Let's just say the piano still has a dent. Pack an essentials box, toothbrush, phone charger, coffee maker, because day one without caffeine, hard pass. Label it "Open Me First" in big angry letters. You'll thank yourself at midnight when you're hunting for pajamas. Moving day. Be there. Seriously. I've seen movers accidentally drop a box marked fragile upside down. Spoiler, Grandma's china didn't survive. Point out delicate items and do a final walkthrough. Check drawers, closets, that weird crawl space everyone forgets. Once you're in, change the locks. Previous owners might have given keys to 12 neighbors. Install new ones ASAP and make 3 copies. Hide one somewhere, not under the fake rock by the door. Unpack the bed first. You'll be exhausted, and sleeping on a mattress floor beats couch springs in your back. Then tackle the kitchen. Hungry movers are cranky movers. Post-move magic. Meet your neighbors. Bring cookies, not resumes. Keep it casual. Find your new go-to coffee spot and set up a maintenance schedule. HVAC filters aren't glamorous, but neither is a surprise repair bill. Here's the thing. Moving's messy, but it's also this wild, hopeful reset. Last week, that flashlight client sent me a photo of their fully decorated living room with a working lamp. So, what's your moving horror story, and how'd you fix it? If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description, like and subscribe, or I'll have to start quoting mortgage rates in interpretive dance.